Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake at home without an oven. We'll start by gathering a few common ingredients you likely already have. Then, I'll walk you through creating a delightful crust and a creamy filling, all without turning on your oven. Finally, we'll cover the essential chilling steps to ensure your cheesecake sets beautifully and tastes amazing. It's easier than you think. First, let's tackle that delicious crust. You'll want to crush your favorite cookies like graham crackers and mix them with some melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into your springform pan to form the base. Next, for the creamy filling, combine softened cream cheese, a touch of sugar, and your preferred flavorings like vanilla extract. Mix until it's wonderfully smooth and lump-free. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this no-bake cheesecake guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, especially when you're busy in the kitchen. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find the link to these amazing socks and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your filling is ready, carefully pour it over the prepared crust in your pan. Gently spread it out to create an even layer. Now comes the most crucial step: chilling. Place your cheesecake in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to firm up completely. Before serving, add your favorite toppings like fresh berries or a chocolate drizzle for that perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.